This is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this, I'm going to show you how you can use your hidden folder in your iPhone 16, 16 Pro Max or any other version. So if you update to iOS 18, 18.12 or at the moment I have 18.5, you would see something as this. It's called hidden folder. You can see here hidden folder. It will appear automatically. In this case, you have to do few things before. You have to go to setting. Okay, inside the setting, you have to find this option. Let's go down. It's called Face ID and passcode. Hit this one. And you have to set up all this option. iPhone unlock with the Face ID, iTunes, everything should be on. To avoid the future problem, you're gonna need this. Okay, so all is good here. Now, for example, we want to hide Trading 212. You have to tap this application. After tapping, you'll see all these options. You say remove app, require Face ID, share app. So hit here Face ID requirement and you see two options. I click hide and require Face ID. Tap the second option. It's checking my Face ID, so I have to put my Face ID. You see now at the bottom, hide app. The app is gone. Now is nowhere to be seen. We go to app. Here you see hidden folder. Hidden folder is not visible. You have to tap this one and it will ask try Face ID. I put my Face ID here. After putting Face ID or passcode, you can see your application. Very easy and simple. So to any game or application, you can do that so nobody can see. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.